battles of Lexington and Concord, militiamen laid siege to Boston. In June, British officials decided to seize the high ground around the town so their guns could control Boston Harbor, Dorchester Heights south of the town, Charlestown Heights to the north. The militia learned of the plan. On the night of June 16th, 1,200 soldiers quietly occupied Charlestown's Bunker Hill and Breed's Hill. Using shovels and pickaxes, they dug trenches and built an earthen fort on Breed's Hill. When the sun came up on June 17th, British officers saw the fortifications. As Navy ships bombarded the fort, General Thomas Gage ordered troops across the Charles River to make an assault. While the regulars waited for the tide to rise enough that they could cross, more militiamen joined the forces dug in on the hill. Then, mid-afternoon, the regulars attacked. The militiamen were inexperienced, but protected by the fort. They held their fire until the regulars got close, holding them back until their ammunition ran out. When the regulars charged, the two sides fought with bayonets until the militiamen were forced to retreat over Bunker Hill. Technically a British victory, the Battle of Bunker Hill was costly. More than 1,000 regulars died or were wounded, while the militiamen lost about 450. Crucially, the Patriots had held their own against the British Army, giving heart to those resisting the British government.